This is a quick little video on why it is so challenging to keep commercial tile and grout floors clean, and this would be for office buildings. My name is Shane Dubell, and our company is Method Clean Solutions in the Buffalo, New York market, and we service office buildings, any commercial space in the Buffalo, New York, and all of Western New York, suburbs, etc. And one of the big challenges for building owners and managers is how we can keep our tile and grout floors clean. And it's one of the biggest questions we run into. Mostly in commercial settings, you're going to see for hard tile, ceramic, porcelain, and quarry tile. And these are what we would call hard surfaces, and they're often located in some of the dirtiest areas, the highest traffic areas, and that would be your front lobby, hallways, cafeterias, and restrooms. So why is it so difficult? Well, the short answer is with tile and grout, when you just use a traditional mop to clean the floor, that what ends up happening is you move that dirty water from the surface of the tile to that grout channel, and then the grout channel ends up absorbing all of that dirty water. And if you can think about that happening over and over again for years or sometimes even decades, what happens is often that these residues turn to go into the grout, and then they start to darken the grout. They start to make it black or dark gray, and it becomes in bacteria, and that's when the odors come, especially when this soil is left in the grout for a long period of time. It can be very frustrating because people try to clean them and try all these different cleaners and say, oh, nothing works, and that's because that soiled water, that dirty water, is just being shoveled into that grout channel, and then over time it becomes an odor. So what is the solution to this? Well, this is a tool that we use, and what we do is we hook this tool, it's called a turbo hybrid, and we use steam cleaning and extraction. And we use hoses from our van where we have clean water and a wastewater tank, and we run those hoses and hook it up to this tool. And what happens is we steam clean that grout and flush everything out and extract at the same time. This bottom piece right here suctions to the floor, so we are flushing it out and extracting at the same time. And that is a big difference, and that is why we're able to clean these areas really quickly. But not only quickly, we can really get down into those grout lines because the steam can get into those crevices. And it's not just the water itself, it's also the steam that's getting down into those crevices, loosening everything up, and then extracting it away, and we take it back to our shop. So this was just a quick little video on how challenging it can be to clean commercial tile and grout floors and what our solution is.